I'm Emily. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been uploading videos on this channel since 2014 and YouTube is a huge part of my life. So where should I start? I'm married to Matt and he occasionally appears in my vlogs, and I'm also a mum to 3. Fraser is 10 years old, Caleb is 7 years old, and Jackson is 4. And as you can imagine, it's pretty crazy in this house, but I wouldn't change it for the world. I started this channel as a way to document our family life and make memories, but I also love sharing tips and hacks with other parents. We've built an amazing community on this channel and I cannot believe that there are so many of us now. So what will you find on this channel? You will find mum hacks, cleaning videos, day in the lives, routine videos, meal planning tips, and so much more. I'm a self-confessed oversharer and I documented my pregnancy week by week, and I even vlogged our home birth. So if you're a new parent, you can see all of that content in the playlists. Parenting is one of the toughest jobs that you'll ever have, but it's also the most rewarding, and I really believe that by supporting one another, we can make those hard times easier, and that is why I share my life online and I share all of my tips, because I've been a mum for 10 years and I feel like I've learned so much. We also recently moved into our new house, which was originally built in the 1930s, and we are going room by room, renovating and redecorating the whole house. So there are also lots of room tours, transformations, and DIYs on this channel as well. Each week I upload 3 new videos on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. So I'd love you to subscribe and stick around for more content. It's completely free to subscribe and I'd love to have you as a viewer. And if you are new, make sure to say hi in the comments down below, because I pride myself in being a YouTuber that is very engaged with her viewers. I will always put out content that is helpful and positive and to do with motherhood that hopefully inspires you. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.